friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see what is meant by list, and today we are going to code about random number generator. So let's see what is meant by a list. Here is the example for list. My list equal to apple, banana, cherry. So let's see what is meant by a list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of four built-in data types in Python used to store collection of data. The other three are tuple, set and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. Lists are created using square brackets. This is also an example for list. List items. List items are ordered, changeable and allow duplicate values. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0, the second item has index 1 and etc. It goes to infinity. Ordered. When we say that lists are ordered, it means that the item have a defined order and that order will not change. If you add new items to a list, the new items will be placed at the end of the list. Now we are going to see about changeable. The list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add and remove items in a list after it has been created. Now allow duplicates. Since lists are indexed, lists can have items with the same value. Duplicate values, here is the example: apple, banana, cherry, apple, cherry. 2 cherry, 2 apple, 1 is the duplicate value. It allows the duplicate values. List length. To determine how many items a list has, use the length function, that means len function. This is the example. List items. Data types. List items can be of any data type. Example: string, init and boolean data types. Boolean means true or false type. So this is the small introduction for the list. Now we are going to code our random number generator. So let's go. So now we enter to our code. It is slightly bigger, so I am explaining in the code. First we are taking from tkinter import random. From tkinter import means we are importing GUI library. After that we are importing the random library. Next, root equal to tk. Root dot title list. Our title is list. Root dot geometry 400 x 400. This is the length of the our root. Enter underscore name equal to entry root. Enter underscore name dot place. X position is 0.5, Y position is 0.2, anchor equal to center. After that we are creating three labels: friend list, random number label, lucky friend. These three labels we are creating. After that we are creating an empty list. Function is called in Python as define, add friend, normal brackets, colon, friend underscore name equal to enter underscore name dot get. List 1 dot append friend underscore name, friend underscore list text equal to your friend list colon plus string list 1. String is a sequence of characters. After that we are defining random list function, normal brackets, colon, length equal to length function we seen in the starting of the video, length function list 1. After that random underscore number equal to random dot randint. What is meant by random dot randint? So random.randint means, for example, I am giving the range of 1 to 5. It will pick a number between 1 to 5. This is called random.randint. After that, 0 comma length minus 1. Random underscore number underscore label text equal to string random underscore number. NO means number. Generator underscore random underscore number equal to list1 random underscore number. Lucky underscore friend, this is a lucky friend label text equal to your lucky friend is. In this label it will tell your lucky friend is, and we are adding the string. After that, generated underscore random underscore number. This one random underscore number, it will be added as generated underscore random underscore number. After that, we are creating a button. btn equal to button root text equal to add to the friend list, command equal to add friend. After that, we are placing the button. btn dot place, x position is 0.5, y position is 0.3. After that, anchor equal to center. We are placing friend underscore list is label. RLX equal to 0.5, RLY equal to 0.4, anchor equal to center. After that, we are creating a second button, btn1, second button, btn1 equal to button root comma text equal to who is your lucky friend. This is the question it will ask. Command equal to random list. btn dot place, we are placing this button. RLX equal to 0.5, RLY equal to 0.5, anchor equal to center. After that, we are placing these two label and random underscore number underscore label dot place. RLX equal to 0.5, RLY equal to 0.6, anchor equal to center. After that, lucky underscore friend dot place, this is also a label. RLX equal to 0.5, RLY equal to 0.7, anchor equal to center. After that, the main thing, root dot main loop for creating the root. So I am save the code. I am running the code. Here it is. I am going to add some names. No, my name Gautam. Apple. Whatever we add. Some names. So I added 4 numbers, 4 names. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who is your lucky friend? Number 3, Watson. But this is a number 4. Why it is giving number 3? Because the index will start in 0. 0 is 1, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3 is 4. This Watson is 4. That means 3 is 4. After that, 1 Gautam, 0 me. It will give random numbers. So that's all our video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. If please do the code and ask the error whatever coming. Please ask me in the comments. Okay, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.